is homelessness is bad for business, bad for the economy, bad for our community, bad for our families, bad for you, bad for me. So that's what we're doing and what we're doing. We are trying to diminish poverty through sustainability by providing housing, jobs, and food. And we are now on the Pepsi Refresh Grant for December, and we are looking to get your votes for our community project. Thank you so much. And if you can vote every day, we need to get in the top 10 ranking. And this right here is our project code if you are to text and then send it to Pepsi code, or you can go by Facebook votes, email votes, and this is the direct URL. So thank you so much. Appreciate your help. God bless.